Bonjour and bonjour, everyone. I'm Maggie.
And I'm Cody the Craft Wolf.
And welcome to this week's craft bag tutorial at the library. Wanna guess what we're doing today, Cody?
Does it have anything to do with the beads I brought?
No, sorry, Cody. But we will get to launch up into space.
Whoa! Are we gonna ride in a rocket?
Nope. But we will get to make the rocket with this week's STEM project.
Cool! What's STEM?
STEM is an acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. STEM projects get you thinking.
Aw, I don't like math.
Don't worry, Cody, there's only a little bit of math involved.
Yay! So, what are we making today?
So today we're making straw rockets inspired by Chelsea on Buggy and Buddy. So this project should inspire you to experiment with different options, like how to launch the rocket, what's the most efficient way to launch the rocket, and how far you can make the rocket go based on how hard or soft you blow into the straw. Well, if we're ready, let's launch into space! Alrighty, so make sure you work on a clean surface or a paper to minimize the mess. In this bag, you should have one instruction sheet and one paper with the rocket template and 4 straws of plastic and paper. Some extra materials you will need is some scissors, some tape, a ruler, and your choice of pencil crayons or markers. I'm going to be using markers for this tutorial. Put away everything except for your markers and your template. Then color inside the lines to decorate your rocket. Next up, take your scissors and your template and follow along the black lines on the rocket. When you're done cutting them out, set them aside, bring out your scissors, your ruler, your tape, your straws, and something to write down where to cut the straws. So take your ruler and your plastic straw and then count out 14 centimeters on your ruler. Once you found the 14 centimeter mark, take something to mark it at the 14 centimeter line. Take your scissors and cut along the line. plastic straw is what's going to be attached to the rocket, and we're going to launch the straw with the paper straw. So it should fit perfectly in the paper straw, and when you blow into it, it should launch. But we have to fold it 1 centimeter from the end to make sure that when we fold it, no air can escape. So find it, fold it, and then use tape to secure the fold so that it doesn't come undone. Now we can put everything else away because we won't be needing them. We'll just need the rockets, the plastic straw, and the tape. We can keep the paper straw around because that's what we're going to be launching it with. So, flip over your rocket and attach the plastic straw to the back. It can be a bit tricky, so it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Once it's done, just put the plastic straw in the paper straw, and when you blow into it, it should launch. And all done! Let's launch our rockets! 3, 2, 1, blast off! That was pretty fun! Well, I hope you enjoyed the craft, and I hope you learned a little bit more about rockets too! If you'd like, take a picture and post it to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram and tag us. Or use the hashtag FFPLTC Craft Club Crafts.
I can't wait to see everyone's rockets.
Me too. I bet all that cutting and coloring has made a bit of a mess. Let's sing the cleanup song and clean up our crafts. Making stuff was really fun. Let's all sing the cleanup song. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.